Hi, I'm Bill with Key Exteriors, your key to integrity for windows, siding, roofing, and doors. I'm standing here in front of the J. Whitmer house in Elkhart, Indiana, a house built in 1915, a brick Queen Anne. For Jay, we tore off old asphalt shingles and installed engineered slate in a beautiful color palette of amethyst, onyx, and a sage green, along with copper valleys and custom copper flashings. Does your old asphalt roof need replaced? Call Key Exteriors today at 260-492-8062. One of our expert staff will come to your home, inspect your roof, and explain how our exclusive Gold Pledge roofing system will give your home a lifetime warranty and protect you and your family for as long as you live there. Call Key Exteriors today at 260-492-8062. Act now and receive free gutters. Don't wait until your roof is leaking. Call Key Exteriors today at 260-492-8062. That's 260-492-8062.